Hello ladies, in today's video I want to share with you review of this bag, and I really enjoy this tote bag since I bought it last year in the States. And this is from MK brand, and I got it in a bargain price. In the States I think it was below $60, and I love her. Really, she is my go-to, or my spring summer towards the winter. I think I will use her. She is my bag this year in 2025. And yeah, as inside is just simple, there's no packet, just simple, and it has like a snap button there. The size of this bag is similar to if you have size Louis Vuitton tote bag, so similar. It's a bit little heavy, but it's fine. So today I will show you also how I organize my daily bag. And I bought an organizer. I love organizer. Love using it because it's easy, to arrange your bag inside. So I bought this from Amazon, and this is their latest, I think. Yeah, there's this latest organizer. It has like a button there, snap button. Before, they used have to have like this type of thing in the middle, but for me I don't use the middle part because I need to put something there. So to show you what fit in this bag, and this organizer really fit well in this bag. So you can put K things in there, but I don't normally use that one. So just put that in one side. So first thing I would put in this bag is my pouch for makeup, and then I got wallet from Coach, and I bought it the same time as the bag in the outlet mall in the States. So, and then I love water, so I got this small water bottle, which is perfect in that side. And then my power bank fit in there, and then I have like another pouch. It fits in the middle there. So I got my another pouch. This one is for charger, so I put it in that side. And I have my my sunglass is there, so I put it in this side. And then I have my key ring, I put it that side. I'm using my phone right now, so I put it in this, but right now I'm filming using it. And by the way, there's also another packet here, so you can put maybe something in here. Yeah, I still have the receipt of the bag and things, so I have few receipt. That's where I put the receipt. Right, okay. And then my iPad goes in here, iPad mini, and that's pretty much what fit in this bag. But you can still fit anything on top and still have more pocket there. Yeah, that's what my inside my bag and my daily handbag. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.